Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and I'm back with my December Ephemera journal, ready to do the prompt. Let me think, it's least favourite ephemera and bookbinder art. So I found this one quite tricky to do. Least favourite ephemera. I actually do like all sorts of ephemera, but I guess when I looked through my stash, which is what I did to get an idea of what my least favourite would be, I found two wallets, let me just put this over, of stickers stashed away at the back of one of the boxes. These are those kind of washi type stickers where the backing is really hard to come off, and in amongst it I found these ones with a kind of gold, and I just have never used them. I don't know where they came from. They're in amongst other stickers. I've obviously in the move I've just stuck all my stickers of this sort in this wallet, and yeah, these ones with the gold, and I'm just not keen. So I picked out some of them. So I've got my little bundle here of ones that I think I might use for this. Oh, here's a couple more. And I also have these stickers, which are more on paper. But the thing I don't like about these really is the kind of white border. I know I can cut it off, but I hardly use them as well. And plus the images on them are just a little bit strange and odd. And so what I thought I would do to use them up and to fill the brief, I've also got some of them picked out with the white bits. So we'll use these stickers, and I thought I would make a mini master board and then combine it with the other prompt, which is Bookbinders art, and just fold the two in half and make like a little mini 4-page booklet. And we'll decorate the front maybe with one of these stickers and maybe add some of them to the pages inside. And I thought that's what we would do. So I've already covered this page. I'm just covering an old book page. I've covered one side, and let's just cover the other side with some of these stickers. And the other thing that I dislike about these stickers is getting the back off. Now, I know there are many tricks to this. The best one I find is just to use the little pad of your finger and gently catch the top between like the plastic and the sticker, is what I find is the best sort of thing to do. So I'm just going to randomly stick these on. So you're really just kind of catching in front of the plastic. I've seen it on Facebook groups and people asking how do you get, are they actual stickers? Because I just can't see how to get, you know, the sticker off, and everybody's like, yeah, they are stickers, but yeah, it can be quite troublesome. But I'll put this one down here, just filling in the page quite randomly. Yeah, I wasn't keen on this prompt at all. It took a little while to figure this out, but you know, got there in the end. Had a look through, what is it they say? I shopped my stash. I shopped my stash. Went shopping in the the boxes, and yeah, here we are. Right, this little strip up the end. Put this one and just overlap it. And then something for down here. I got a long narrow one. Let's look in the bag for one that might be long and narrow in there. There's at least a oblong one. Don't tell me I've managed to use them up. That'll do. And last one. Yeah, I think I got these in a big pack from Amazon that contained like bits of scrapbook paper, bits of lots of different kind of things. And I think it was called a junk journaling pack. And I'm just going to trim that down a little bit because I trimmed the other one down. Let me just lift up my trimmer and just take the edge off that. And I think that was the last time I ever bought something of this nature from Amazon. I was really disappointed. You know, it was all laid out in a picture and it looked really interesting, and I think quite a lot of the bits were just not my cup of tea. And so we'll just fold this in half. Anyway, my old granny used to say, keep a thing for 7 years and you'll get to use it, and true enough. I wonder if that one's slightly bigger, if it's because it's the fold. There we have a wee 4-page booklet. That's fine. Right. Now, let's put some of these stickers on and then we will bind it using the Bookbinders art per the prompt. Although I'm just going to bind it as like a traveller's notebook style with just a piece of twine round the edge there. But I think what we'll do is we'll put the stickers on first, so that yeah, it might be easier to put the stickers on first, and I think we'll just use that top one on that front page. And I've saved this. This is a sticker, and I thought that might actually be quite nice there. Make it look like this is a thinner one. Oh, there we go. That turns it into a sort of clipboard. That's actually quite nice. Right, let's find something. That's quite nice there. This is so super easy. and I think it might look quite effective in my journal, and it means I've got some little spots to journal on. Maybe put another one of these. That's the ones that's on the cover. That looks quite nice. So it's Sunday afternoon and there's a big football match on nearby. We stay fairly near the National Stadium, Hampden Park, the National Football Stadium. So we've had quite a few football supporters passing by in our neighbourhood today. Oh, excuse me. Yes, it's the Scottish Cup, I believe, Cup final. And it's the two big Glasgow teams, two big rivalries. Glasgow Celtic and Glasgow Rangers. So we will be quite busy with some folks in the town. And the back page, let's see. Maybe put that on the back page. So this will slide in to one of the pockets on the journal. So how easy is that? And I didn't even bother cutting off the white borders. It doesn't actually look too bad, I think. Maybe I've just gotten used to the way it looks. Right, we'll cut off a little bit of this. And we can either do it with the knot inside or the knot outside. But I think I am going to do it with the knot outside. I've probably cut far too much of this. Yep. Anyway. Best more than you need than not enough. Now let's see if I can get a bow tied with just, let me see, am I still on? I'm using my watch here to make sure that I'm filming, because the phone has taken, yes, I'm still on. The phone has taken to going off. Oh, it's such a paste. Right, we'll tidy this up. Make that a little bit smaller. Now, of course, you could have stitched up the centre with the sewing machine to keep it closed, or we could have stitched round the pages. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, to make it a little bit fancy, we could have stitched round, we could have added a little dangle, we could have done all sorts of things, but I think I'm going to keep it super easy. Just a piece of old book page and some stickers that were just left in the back. Oh, this is getting heavy. The back of the box. So yeah, so let's put it in the second half, because I feel as if the first half is getting lots of attention, and yeah, we'll put it in the second half, I think, of the book, if we can find. Now that's a little tuck spot that might not be big enough, but I'm sure there's pockets. Now, we could maybe slide in there if I closed that off. So we'll keep that in mind. But is there a closed pocket already? It's not big enough for it. I don't know that there is a closed pocket already. Oh, now, here's something here. And then, because that's a pocket from an old mail bill envelope with the little window, so I think that means I can see what's in there. Yeah, I think we'll put it in there. Now, we need the number on it, and I haven't prepped that. I forgot to look out my number. So what number is this? 11. Excuse my squeaky computer chair. I think I'm going to have to treat myself to a new chair. I've had this chair a long time. And yeah, I think we'll just put it on the front here. Yeah. Good. So that's that ticked off. Not too much of a hassle at all. Where is the thing? It's here. Yeah. Done. Okay, so thanks for joining me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.